Hi students, good afternoons. In this day, we are studying about the D and F block elements. Okay students, the D block of the periodic tables contains the element of the group 3 to 12. The group 3 to 12 in the periodic tables between center, the S and p block elements, in which the d orbitals are progressively filled in each of the 4 long periods. D block elements is called transition elements. Okay students, why D block elements are called transition elements? Transition elements, it may be defined as the elements whose atoms or simple ions contain partially filled d orbitals. Okay, d orbitals are partially filled. Or another definition, transition elements is defined as the one which has incompletely filled d orbitals in its ground state or in any oxidation states. Zinc, cadmium and mercury of group 12 elements have fully D10 configuration. So, these are not a transition elements. Why these are not transition elements? Because their d orbitals are fully filled. Zinc, cadmium and mercury, students. Okay. Then we talk about electronic configuration of the d block elements. We know that the general electronic configuration of these elements is n-1 d1 to 10 ns 1 to 2. Okay, what is n? N is the number of principal quantum number, students, where n-1 stands for the inner d orbitals, which may have 1 to 10 and ns orbitals have 1 to 2. Okay, a very little difference or a very little energy difference between n-1 d and ns orbital, therefore half and completely filled set of orbitals are relatively more stable. Okay, the d orbitals are half filled and completely filled is relatively more stable electronic configuration of the other elements, student. For examples, we take a chromium, their atomic number 24. In the ground state, their electronic configuration is 3d4 and 4s2, but their energy difference is very little, so the one electron can transfer to 3d 4 to 5, so 3d 5 and 4s1. This is the more stable electronic configuration as compared to 3d 4 and 4s2. Okay, similarly copper Cu, copper, the electronic configuration is 29. Their stable electronic configuration 3d10 4s1, but their actual electronic configuration, instead of 3d9 and 4s2, one electron is shortage for the half filled orbital 3d and one electron is shortage the 3d9. So if the one electron can transfer 4s to 3d, their octet is completely filled, their d orbital is completely filled, and here their d orbital is half filled. So half filled and completely filled orbitals is more stable. Okay students, Are you understand clearly? Next, general trends in properties of the first row transition metals. Okay, students, the first row transition metals are scandium, titanium, vanadium, chromium, manganese, iron, cobalt, nickel, copper, zinc. Okay, students, these 10 elements is called first transition series. Then we discuss about the metallic character, first transition series. All transition elements are metallic in natures, high tensile strength, ductility, malleability, high thermal and electrical conductivity, and metallic luster, with exception of zinc, because zinc their d orbital is completely filled. Okay, due to the presence of strong metallic bonds possess high density and high enthalpy of atomization. Okay, students, then we talk next property, ionization enthalpy. Generally, ionization enthalpy increases from left to right in a series due to an increase in nuclear charge of the inner d orbitals. Okay, the ionization enthalpy increases from left to right. Why? Because increase in nuclear charge of the inner orbital, inner d orbitals. If you go left to right, the number of electron is increasing one by one. Okay, the first transition element, the first ionization enthalpy of zinc is very high. Why? Because of fully filled d orbitals. The first ionization enthalpy of zinc is very high because of fully filled d orbitals. Okay. Second point, chromium and copper show unusually high value of second ionization enthalpy due to d5 and d10 electronic configuration of M plus ion respectively, while of zinc is low due to a stable d10 configuration. Okay, students? Third ionization enthalpy of manganese Mn is very high due to disruption of d5 configuration, while that of iron Fe is very small as it leads to d5 configurations. Okay, students, then we talk about their electronic configuration of the group